When it comes to increasing the value of your Meridian home, replacing old windows might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, new windows are one of the smartest investments you can make. They enhance your home's appearance, improve energy efficiency, and make your property more appealing to potential buyers. Here's how upgrading your windows can significantly boost your home's value in Meridian. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows play a major role in your home's curb appeal. Outdated, worn, or mismatched windows can make your home look tired, even if the interior is immaculate. New windows, on the other hand, instantly elevate the look of your home. Modern designs. Choose from a variety of styles, like casement, picture, or bay windows, to match your home's architecture. Custom finishes. Sleek black frames, natural wood tones, or white vinyl finishes can complement any exterior aesthetic. Unique features. Grids, decorative glass, or specialty shapes can add character and charm, making your home stand out. A visually appealing home is more likely to attract potential buyers and increase perceived value. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homebuyers, and windows are a key factor in reducing energy costs. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing air to escape and forcing HVAC systems to work harder. New energy-efficient windows offer lower utility bills. Features like double or triple panes, low E coatings, and gas fills, like argon or krypton, help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Better insulation. Advanced materials and sealing technology prevent drafts, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Environmental appeal. Many buyers look for eco-friendly upgrades, and energy-efficient windows are a great selling point. By reducing energy costs, new windows increase the overall value of your home and make it more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. Increased comfort. Beyond energy savings, new windows enhance your living experience. They eliminate common issues like drafts, temperature fluctuations, and noise pollution, making your home more comfortable. Soundproofing. High-quality windows reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. UV protection. Low-E glass blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Consistent temperatures. Properly insulated windows maintain even indoor temperatures, reducing hot and cold spots. Buyers value these benefits, which can set your home apart in the competitive Meridian real estate market. Increased natural light. Modern windows are designed to maximize natural light, making your home feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Features like larger panes, thinner frames, and creative layouts, such as bay or bow windows, can flood your space with light. Bright, airy homes are more appealing to buyers and can even increase the perceived square footage of your home. Low-maintenance living. Today's windows are built to last with durable materials that resist wear and tear. Options like vinyl and fiberglass require little maintenance, freeing homeowners from the time-consuming tasks of scraping, painting, or sealing. Low-maintenance windows are a selling point for busy buyers who want a home that looks great without constant upkeep. Higher ROI on your investment. replacing windows offers one of the best returns on investment, ROI, among home improvement projects. According to industry studies, homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of new windows when selling their home. Not only will you enjoy lower energy bills and improved comfort while living in your home, but you'll also see a significant boost in resale value when it's time to sell. A competitive edge in the market. The Meridian housing market is competitive, and buyers are looking for homes with modern upgrades. New windows signal that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, which can give you an edge over similar properties. In a market where energy efficiency and aesthetics are top priorities, new windows can make your home a standout choice for buyers. Warranty and peace of mind. High-quality replacement windows often come with warranties that cover both the product and installation. This reassurance can appeal to buyers who appreciate the long-term value of a secure investment. A transferable warranty can be a unique selling point, showing potential buyers that they'll benefit from continued protection after purchase. Upgrade your windows. Upgrade your home's value. If you're looking to boost your Meridian home's value, replacing your windows is a smart, customer-focused investment. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing comfort and providing a high ROI, new windows offer numerous benefits that enhance both your quality of life and your property's resale potential. Partner with a trusted window replacement professional in Meridian to explore options that suit your style, budget, and goals. With the right windows and expert installation, you'll not only enjoy a more beautiful and functional home but also a significant increase in its overall value. Don't wait. Upgrade your windows today and unlock the full potential of your home.